What are the 7 classes of forklifts? Class 1 forklifts are also known as electric motor riders. These electric-powered forklifts are ideal for loading and unloading tractor-trailers, handling pallets, and a number of other applications in industries ranging from food storage and retail to factory and general warehousing. They are ideal for indoor work. Class 2 forklifts are also known as electric motor narrow-aisle trucks. This forklift is for companies that opt for very narrow-aisle operation. These vehicles have unique features that are designed to minimize the space occupied by the truck and to improve speed and efficiency. Class 3 forklifts, or electric motor hand or hand rider trucks, are hand-controlled forklifts, meaning the operator is in front of the truck and controls the lift through a steering tiller. All controls are mounted on the top of the tiller, and the operator moves the tiller from side to steer the truck. These vehicles are battery-powered, and the smaller capacity units use industrial batteries. Class 4 forklifts, or internal combustion engine trucks, are used indoors on smooth dry floors. These cushion-tired forklifts are lower to the ground than forklift trucks with pneumatic tires. Because of that, these forklift trucks can be useful in low-clearance areas. Class 5 forklifts can be powered by internal combustion engines and are available for use with propane, gasoline, diesel, and compressed natural gas fuel systems. Class 6 forklifts, or electric and internal combustion engine forklifts, can be used in a variety of locations. They can be equipped with either internal combustion engines for outdoor use or battery-powered electric motors for indoor use. Class 7 forklifts, or rough-terrain forklift trucks, are fitted with large flotation tires for outdoor use on difficult surfaces. They're often used at construction sites to transport and lift building materials to various job site locations. They're also common with lumber yards and auto recyclers. Florida Training Academy offers online and hands-on forklift operator certification classes that are OSHA approved and nationally recognized. To register, visit fltraining.com.